Let me ask you the million-dollar question. Do you ever feel like your paycheck is getting mugged every time tax season rolls around? Stop, don't click away. Today, I'm about to flip the script on taxes in the USA and reveal the tax-saving secrets even your accountant might not tell you. Imagine keeping hundreds or even thousands more in your bank account this year without breaking a single law. But here's the kicker. Hidden somewhere in this video is a secret tax-saving trick so under the radar, you'll wonder how you missed it. And the last chapter? It's a complete game changer. Bank on it. Whether you're 23 and hustling or 60 and planning retirement, today's blueprint is what the wealthy and savvy use every year. So buckle up, hit that like button, and don't skip ahead. This is the one finance video you can't afford to miss. Let's face it, taxes feel like they're the #1 roadblock on your path to real wealth. But here's the truth. Smart Americans make the system work for them. Let's look at a real example. In 2025, IRS data showed top earners legally dropped their effective tax rates to under 20%, all by using deductions, credits, and the right accounts. No cheating, just smart strategy. No matter your stage, starting out or nearing retirement, anyone can join them with a few moves. First, let's make your future pay off right now. The government literally rewards you for saving for retirement or health, and you can start today. Let's look the power of 401k and IRA. Meet Lisa, who is 28 years old, boosted her 401k contributions to $8,500 this year. Her taxable income dropped to $66,500. That single step saved her $1,870 in taxes for the year, and her retirement is growing on autopilot. If your employer offers 401k matching, don't leave free money on the table. If you're over 50, new laws in 2025 let you make even bigger catch-up contributions, boosting your tax savings more than ever. HSA's the triple threat. Let's take Josh, a 34-year-old freelancer, put $3,050 into his health savings account. Not only did that lower his taxable income, but he also spends on healthcare with tax-free dollars. Let me reveal to you the surprise trick which I mentioned at the start of the video. You can invest your HSA funds, let them grow, and withdraw tax-free for medical needs later. Think of it as a stealth retirement account. Owning your home isn't just a dream, it's a tax move. David bought his first home in 2025, deducted $7,500 in mortgage interest plus $8,000 in property taxes. His state also slashed income taxes, so he's stacking up savings. Sell your main home for a profit? Up to $250,000 for a single or $500,000 for a married couple is tax-free profit. A side hustle can be a tax deduction factory. Let me prove it to you by a real-world incident that happened. Rachel starts a side Etsy shop. She writes off $1,200 for a laptop, $600 for supplies, and a portion of her internet bill. All legal deductions. The home office deduction. Typing emails at a regular workspace at home. Airbnb host David writes off $900 a year, just following IRS rules. And if you're self-employed, check out the solo 401k. You can shelter more of your profits while prepping for retirement. Education isn't just good for the brain, it's a tax strategy. Stacy sent her daughter to college and paid $5,000 in tuition. She received the American Opportunity Tax Credit and scored a $2,500 direct reduction off her tax bill. That's cash, refunded, not just a deduction. Open a 529 account, and your college savings grow and come out tax-free when used for education. The earlier you start, the more you save. Profitable investing also means paying less tax when you know the rules. Meet Keith, a 45-year-old man, donates $5,000 worth of appreciated stock to charity. Not only does he deduct the full value, he avoids capital gains tax entirely, a double benefit. Sell investments at a loss to offset gains through tax loss harvesting. You get a tax break now, but stay in the investment game by reinvesting later. Hold your stocks for over a year? You could slash capital gains rates to as low as 0.15% versus much higher ordinary income tax rates for frequent traders. If you're still with me, here's a game-changing trick that almost everyone overlooks, and it could save you big. If you earn a moderate salary and save for retirement, even in an IRA or 401k, you could qualify for the Savers Credit, up to $1,000 off your taxes. IRS Form 8880. Millions are eligible each year, but barely anyone claims it. Generosity can also lighten your tax load. donate cash or stuff to qualified charities, and itemize for a deduction. Our guy Keith opens a donor-advised fund after a big work bonus. He bunches all donations into 1 year for a giant write-off, then gives to his favorite causes over time. If you're over 70, use a qualified charitable distribution from your IRA. Donate right from your retirement account, skip income tax, and help a cause. Do not skip this chapter. It's the most important. Small mistakes here can cost you $1,000 or even trigger an audit. Jane, a digital entrepreneur, saves every document and receipt to a cloud folder every spring. When the IRS requests proof, she's ready and never pays a penalty. As your earnings and investments grow, using a real CPA, not just software, finds secret deductions, like little-known business or education credits. It's not just about finding the savings. It's about keeping every dollar you worked for. See how regular people save year after year. Lisa saves nearly $2,000 tax just by maxing her 401k. Rachel and Keith stack A-list deductions with homeownership and side gigs. Stacy secures a $2,500 education credit, real money right away. Keith doubles up on donations and tax-free investment exits. David lower their bills through HSAs, home offices, and state tax moves. These aren't rare tricks reserved for the rich. They're in the tax code for everyone. Claim them! 2025. Bonus. 9 states, including Arizona and Indiana, just cut income taxes. See if you can relocate or select your remote work location for even bigger net savings. Latest rule: some service industry tips and overtime are now federally tax exempt. Check your pay stub. Let's get through a quick recap. So, what's the big takeaway? Whether it's the hidden HSA trick, stock donation magic, or that surprise savers credit, today's moves are real, legal, and used by smart Americans every year. Don't ever skip that final chapter. Keeping good records and getting pro help unlocks the highest savings, even if you think you're doing everything right. Drop "keep more" in the comments if you learned something new. Smash like, subscribe for next level money hacks, and send this to anyone hungry to keep more of their hard-earned cash. Remember, it's not what you earn, it's what you keep. See you in the next one.